Good morning. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome to. I'm Bearded Ford Tech. We got a 2017 F450, 299,892 miles. And we got that little check engine light over there. So I went ahead and pulled up IDS. We got a 2074 manifold absolute pressure and a 24A2. Particulate filter regeneration incomplete. So I've also pulled up PTS Oasis, which is professional technical system. There's a TSB 192271, and it's telling me if I have this code 2074, then I need to reprogram the PCM. Follow the service procedure step to reprogram the PCM and perform a mass airflow sensor parameter reset. So that's what I'm going to do for right now, because I've already checked the mass airflow, I've checked the throttle body, everything's good down there. No cracks in the CAC pipes or anything. So we're going to try this. Also, I did want to show you where it says this: built on or before January 9th of 2019. If I come back up here to vehicle ID, scroll down, build date June 6th of 2017. So it falls under this TSB. So I'm going to go ahead and reprogram PCM and do a mass airflow. Module programming. Module reprogramming. PCM. The ignition switch is on. So we're going to let this do its thing, and I'm going to reprogram the PCM, and then when I come back we'll do the mass airflow. Alright, do mass airflow. Go to the toolbox. Powertrain, service function, reset clear specified function. Reset clear functions. Yes. Where's my mouse? There it is. You can click on yes. I want to go to math. Yes. Reset or cleared successfully. Tick mark. I want to check something else while I'm in there. No, nothing that I wanted to check. do want to go to a data logger though. Instrument panel. They said something about the fuel gauge wasn't working. It's at 50%. It's working. So that is basically how you relearn the mass airflow sensor. I went ahead and followed that TSB. Check engine lights off. So I'm gonna go service this thing and then take it for a ride.